So there's a meditation that I take some of my clients through that is especially for balancing and harmonizing the energy centers that we've been talking about in a couple of the videos. And so in that meditation, I have them find a beautiful place in nature, in their mind, in their imagination, which is really memory. And then as we go through the colors, I'll ask them to find that color in the scene, to find the color in the petal of a flower or the wing of a bird, in a berry that's growing. And so I'm, on my hike in the woods here, and I just want to show you some incredible colors. So maybe I'm just looking around. Here, I'm going to turn you around. Let's see if I can figure out how to turn this around. Maybe I can't with the video. Okay, I'm going to show you these beautiful I don't know if you can see them off in the distance there, but they're dotting the hill. And so the instructions are, to get up close. To get up close and really look at it until the color fills your whole vision. And just look deeply into the color. And then breathe that essence of the color in. Breathing it in until it fills your whole being. And so in this case it's the color of the orange energy center, and this color is quite brilliant, right? It's you can see the red in there, so it's a good color for the root center and the sacral center. And we have this magnificent green here in the moss, and all these different color greens. There's more of the fungus growing. Look at this little guy. Can you see the ant? I think he has another insect, maybe. And so last video I was talking about the solar plexus, and I noticed that I didn't finish my thought about how to bring balance and harmony to any of the energy centers, but the most simplest way is to get nice and quiet, take a moment to be still, and just send the breath there. And you can always lay your hands there over the energy center or on the part of the body that governs the energy center. Isn't this so stunning? And then you can think of the color of the energy center and breathe it in. Because color has a frequency, it has a medicine and a wisdom. And you can feel it, it's not difficult. You can feel it because, even if I said to you to think of the brightest, most vibrant red, then I asked you to think of the most bluest blue summer sky that you've ever seen, and to compare the feelings of those two colors. They feel quite different. And when I work with the kids and I ask them to think about what color would go with, say, their feelings of anger, the feelings that we apply the word anger to, most often, not all the time, but most often they say red. And it could be cultural. It would be interesting to do that over many cultures and languages. Sometimes they say black, sometimes I hear brown. And then if I ask for an antidote, a color that would be healing and would help to bring feelings of peace and calm or even happiness, the colors that come through might be a light blue or a yellow, sometimes a pink. Yeah. So I just wanted to share, just going on my little walk in the woods. And so just remember that this is always available to you. Nature is always available to us as medicine. And so we can come in and just reset. All the elements can be found here, which make up our own physical being. Because basically on the physical level we're elementally carbon-based, and we're made up of the elementally the same stuff as the planet, the same stuff as stars, right? This is actually one of my favorite scenes. Here, let me show you this. I love coming across this scene because it's so different to the rest of the woods. And then compare it with this side, right? And we had a big storm come through, and so we've had a lot of rain. Sometimes the paths become like little streams, like you see here. But yeah, isn't that stunning? And so one of the instructions is just looking into your scene and that beautiful place in nature in your mind, that beautiful place, and look to see the different colors, the different shades of green, and to find the green that is most appealing or most attractive to you. And then again, get up close and really look at it. Really look until it fills your whole vision. Looking deeply into it. And then breathing it in. And the color green is the color that is associated with the heart center, which is also our lungs. And it makes sense because, the green of the leaves, the green of the algae is what gives us the carbon dioxide, or the oxygen rather, takes our carbon dioxide and gives us the oxygen that we need. So, okay, that's it.